Well, hello YouTube. How are you guys doing on this dreary old Friday? It's about 55, a little bit of light rain here and there, not too bad though. I have a very interesting story for you guys today, and a little bit of a mystery too. We're kind of hoping maybe one of you guys can help us out, maybe shed a little bit of light on something. I am not far from my house in West Williamson, West Virginia, at the Fairview Cemetery. Now, I've done several videos here before, and I've mentioned before about how the records to this place were lost in the 77 flood. We got this one right here. Now, this has been a little area of contention, we'll just put it that way. There's been a little bit of mystery about this particular little vault right here, and we just happened to, about 2 weeks ago, run into something. We got a message from one of our viewers, one of you guys, and I brought it with me today. It's from a man named Darren Webb, and he lives here in Williamson. And I met him a couple weeks ago, like the day before he sent this. And I met him at Walmart. I was over by the eggs and happened to run into him. But his email that he sent us, it says, well, first of all, hello Darren, how you doing? It says, first let me say hello. I ran into you at Walmart. My name is Darren Webb, and I grew up beside the Williamson swimming pool, and my mom still lives there. I take care of her needs at the first of each month, and she's not able to drive. On to Fairview Cemetery. There is a small brick mausoleum, the very one we've been curious about. The very one. We've went around this. These stones do not go to this, and we have been very curious about this. Anyhow, there's a small brick mausoleum. The house at the very top, it's right back here, the blue one right back here in the corner. Where was I? Lost my place. There it is. The house at the very top was my best friend's house. His grandpa, Jack Wellman, told me the story of the mausoleum. It was a well-to-do family back in the day. I believe the husband was a lawyer. Anyways, this couple's son got killed in a barroom fight, and they made that for him. Well, the mom would go and sit by it every day. She eventually started losing her mind, but when she died, they put her in there with their son. There is a small hole on the side where the road goes by. Evidently, someone wanted to see inside. Grandpa Wellman told me they put bars in the brick and lifted one of the coffins up in the air so they could put the other coffin in. It would be great to know their names. If you get a chance, could you do some magic on getting their names? Love your channel, Darren. Now this right here, like I said, this is the little vault or cement vault in question right here. Mausoleum, small mausoleum. And we've been around this before and, you know, tried to figure something out, and we haven't had any luck, guys. We are hoping that one of you locals can maybe help us in this case, maybe help us shed a little bit of light on this vault right here, on this mausoleum. As you can see, there's no name. And we have looked, we've been around it before, and there's no name on it. There's no marker of any kind. Got a tree growing out of the top of it. And it does look, I mean, you can see the little door on the end right up there where, you know, they may have opened it back up after the fact. Actually, let's take a look at that. Take a better look at that door. It does very much look like this could have been added after the fact. Those yellow ones are fire brick and those are regular brick. So it does look as though this was added later. So it's looking like Darren's story may be right on point. We don't even know for sure how old this is, but you can tell by looking at it, it's been here a really, really, really long time. And this is, like I said, this is one of the lost graves that are down here. And we've been trying for a couple years now. We've been working on this graveyard, trying to find out who's who and where they are, and update records accordingly. And so when we got the email about this one from Darren, we wanted to make sure that we came out and just kind of touched on this real quick. Our hope is that some local may know something about this, or if you have any other information too, we would like to hear from you. Nothing like a good mystery, is there? Hopefully we'll be able to find out something though, and put this little mystery to bed once and for all. Anyhow, guys, thank y'all for watching. Thank you for coming along, and hopefully we'll hear from one of you real soon with maybe a little extra information on that. See you guys later. Y'all have a really good day. We'll see you next time. And Leo out.